This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Pixel 8 is updated and the camera app has permissions. This prevents crashes and lets features work. Once done, open camera and immediately pick photo or video mode from the main screen because mode determines available tools. Make sure storage isn't full and enable HDR Plus in settings for better dynamic range. This improves highlights and shadows automatically. Finally, familiarize yourself with the shutter, lens switch, and quick tap to focus so you can shoot without fumbling. You now compose and fine-tune the shot. Tap the subject to lock focus and slide the exposure control to brighten or darken because auto settings can underexpose tricky scenes. Once done, switch lenses with 1x/2x or pinch to zoom for framing. Pixel's Super Res Zoom keeps detail. Make sure to enable night sight for dim scenes or motion mode for moving subjects to capture energy. If you want portrait separation, use portrait with subject distance and keep background further away for natural blur. You finish by reviewing images in photos and using quick edit tools to crop, adjust color, or run magic eraser. These fixes polish the final image. Once satisfied, back up to Google Photos to preserve originals and share links or export full-resolution files for editing elsewhere. If something goes wrong, restart the camera app, clear its cache in settings, and confirm permissions and free storage. These steps fix most faults quickly, so you can get back to shooting without loss of data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.